Welcome back to Love and Lust Lessons, where we decode the mystery of attraction, relationships, and everything in between. Today's topic is one that every man has faced at some point. And let's be honest, it sucks. You like her, you've been texting, talking, maybe even seeing each other. And then she goes cold. She stops replying. She takes hours or days to respond. Suddenly, you're left staring at your phone, overthinking every word, wondering, what did I do wrong? But here's the truth. When a woman ignores you, it's not the end. It's a signal. And how you respond to that signal determines whether you lose her or draw her in even deeper. So don't panic. Don't beg. Don't chase. Instead, I'm going to teach you exactly what to do when a woman ignores you and how to flip the script so she starts thinking about you again. Let's get into it. Brain 1. First, understand why she might be ignoring you. Before we get into what to do, let's decode the why. Because when you understand the reason behind the silence, you respond from a place of confidence, not confusion. Here are the 4 most common reasons women pull away or ignore men. YW check mark, she's testing your emotional control. Yes, some women pull back on purpose to see if you'll chase, lose control, or get needy. It's not manipulative, it's instinctual. Women want to feel pursued, but they don't want a man who loses his center. YW check mark, she's overwhelmed or distracted. Work stress, family drama, emotional baggage. Sometimes her silence has nothing to do with you and everything to do with her life. YW check mark, she's lost interest temporarily. Attraction naturally fluctuates. Maybe the spark faded, or she's unsure about her feelings. That doesn't mean it's permanent, but it's real. YW check mark, she's entertaining someone else. Harsh truth, if she's ignoring you consistently and without cause, someone else might have her attention. But again, this doesn't mean you've lost. The point is, don't assume. Don't beg for clarity. Stay grounded, because what you do next either revives her interest or buries it for good. Man in suit levitating 2. Do not chase. It's the biggest attraction killer. When a woman ignores you, your ego wants to fix it. You want to send another text. Show her you care. Prove you're worthy. But here's what actually happens when you chase. Prohibited, you lower your value. Prohibited, you validate her distance. Prohibited, you come across as emotionally needy. And desire dies. Fast. Remember, women are drawn to emotional strength. When you chase, you show insecurity. When you stay calm, you show power. Light bulb text to avoid. Hey, did I do something wrong? Why aren't you answering me? Are you mad at me? Miss you. Crying face. Instead, pull back. Let her wonder. Let her feel the absence of your attention. That's when the shift happens. Fire 3. Pull back with purpose and focus on you. The most powerful move you can make when a woman ignores you, stop giving her attention and redirect that energy back to yourself. This doesn't mean ignoring her out of revenge. It means elevating your own presence, value, and emotional state so that she feels the gap. Here's what to do. YW check mark goes silent. Don't text, don't call. Let the space grow. YW check mark hit the gym. Reconnect with your body and masculine energy. YW check mark, go out with friends. Let her see and feel that your life moves on. YW check mark, post subtly. Not for her, but to remind the world and her that you're thriving. Light bulb bonus tip. Women are energetically sensitive. When you shift your focus back to yourself, she'll feel it, even if you say nothing. And that silence, that absence, it starts to work for you. Puzzle piece 4. Reestablish control of the frame. If she reaches out, and she likely will if the connection was real, don't jump back in emotionally. Reclaim the masculine frame. This means you set the tone. You lead. You don't just follow her emotional whims. Here's how to respond when she finally texts. Example. Her, hey, sorry I've been busy. Don't say, no worries. I missed you. Too eager. Instead say, hey, all good. Life's been pretty full on my end too. This keeps you composed, calm, and desirable. After a few messages, you can say, Let's catch up over drinks this weekend. You pick the place. You're not punishing her. You're rebalancing the power dynamic with charm, not ego. Brain 5. Recognize when it's time to move on. Now, let's be real. Sometimes a woman's silence isn't a test. It's a statement. And if you've pulled back, stayed centered, elevated yourself, and she still doesn't come back, let her go. Not from a place of bitterness, but from strength. Because a woman who truly values you won't keep you guessing forever. Never forget, your attention is currency. Your energy is a gift. Your presence is power. Don't waste it on someone who's not ready, not interested, or not emotionally available. The right woman won't play games. She'll meet you halfway, or more. Gemstone 6. Upgrade yourself. Not for her, but for your future. Here's the secret sauce most men miss. Every moment of rejection is a chance for reinvention. Use the silence to become more magnetic, not less. Collision read that book you've been putting off. Collision improve your wardrobe, style, or grooming. Collision learn how to communicate with high-value women. Collision practice emotional discipline. Collision get back into your purpose and passions. Because when a man is driven, focused, and emotionally mature, women don't just respond, they pursue. So remember, when a woman ignores you, don't panic, don't chase, don't beg. Instead, understand the real reason behind her silence. Stay emotionally grounded. Let her feel your absence. Reclaim your value by focusing on your life, not her reactions. If she returns, reestablish your masculine frame. And if she doesn't, walk away with power, not pain. Because true attraction isn't about pleasing someone else. It's about knowing your worth and living in it. Speech Balloon, drop a comment below. Have you ever dealt with a woman who went cold? What did you do? What worked and what didn't? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another deep dive from love and lust lessons. Until next time, stay confident, stay calm, and let them come to you.